Are you planning a trip to Peru and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Peru in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Peru is Airtel. It's cheap and flexible, which makes it a great choice. For Peru, plans start at 1 GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. This works well if you just need maps and messaging. There's also 2 GB for $6, valid for 15 days, and 3 GB for $7.50, valid for 30 days. These are good options for light social media use. For heavier data use, you can go for 5 GB for $11.50, 10 GB for $18, or 20 GB for $29, all valid for 30 days. The app is very easy to use. Once you buy a plan, you'll get a QR code instantly. After that, you're ready to go. If you ever run out of data, you can even top up directly from the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get a 10% discount. Now, if you tried Airelo and didn't enjoy it or weren't happy with their option, I recommend Maya Mobile. I've used it myself and it's really good. If you care about speed and simplicity, Maya's plans are a great deal. Plus, they've got options for everyone. For a 10-day plan, you can get 3 gigs for $10.79, 5 gigs for $16.19, or 10 gig for $26.99. If you need more, there's 20 gig for $42.29. And if you don't want to worry about running out of data, they offer unlimited data for $34.19, all within the same 10-day window. Everything works on 5G and activates right away. Maya has reliable coverage and a simple website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no need for an app. It's easy and straightforward. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Peru into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airelo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or long stays, Airelo takes the top spot. The plans are flexible, prices are lower, and the 30-day validity means less hassle. But if you're going for short-term high-speed use, Maya Mobile gives you great value for your money, especially with that unlimited option for under $35. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Peru in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.